What cryptos are available on Newton? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about all the different cryptos that are available on Newton. Now, if you're not familiar with Newton, it's a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade a variety of different cryptocurrencies. And if you're looking to get started with crypto, or if you're just looking to expand your portfolio, then Newton is a great option. So, without further ado, let's get started. What is Newton? Before we get into the different cryptos that are available on Newton, let's take a quick look at what Newton is. As I mentioned earlier, Newton is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade a variety of different cryptocurrencies. It's a relatively new exchange, but it's already gained a lot of popularity thanks to its user-friendly interface and its low fees. How to use Newton? Using Newton is very easy. All you need to do is create an account and then deposit some funds. Once you've done that, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. What cryptos are available on Newton? Now, let's get to the meat of this video. What cryptos are available on Newton? Well, there are a lot of them. Here are just a few of the most popular ones. Bitcoin BTC, Ethereum ETH, Litecoin LTC, Bitcoin Cash BCH, Ripple XRP, Stellar XLM, Cardano ADA, Dogecoin Doge, Binance Coin BNB, Polkadot DOT, Solana SOL, Avalanche AVAX, Terra Luna, Phantom FTM, Shiba Inu SHIB. In addition to these popular cryptocurrencies, Newton also offers a number of other altcoins, including Aave AV, Uniswap Uni, SushiSwap Sushi, Compound Comp, Yearn Finance Wi-Fi, PancakeSwap Cake, 1inch Network 1inch, Axie Infinity AXS, Decentraland Mana, Sandbox Sand. As you can see, there's a wide variety of cryptocurrencies available on Newton. This makes it a great option for investors who are looking to diversify their portfolios. Is Newton safe? Yes, Newton is a safe and secure platform to use. It's licensed and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK, and it uses a number of security measures to protect its users' funds. Is Newton easy to use? Yes, Newton is very easy to use. The platform is intuitive and user-friendly, even for beginners. What are the fees on Newton? Newton has very low fees. The trading fee is just 0.75%, which is one of the lowest fees in the industry. Overall, I think Newton is a great option for both new and experienced cryptocurrency investors. It offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, it's safe and secure, and it's easy to use. If you're looking for a good cryptocurrency exchange, I highly recommend checking out Newton. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrencies, be sure to check out my other videos on the topic. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. You can also add a call to action at the end of your video, such as asking viewers to subscribe to your channel or to follow you on social media. You can also include a link to your website or blog in the description of your video. You can also add a link to a relevant article or blog post in the description of your video. You can also add a link to a relevant video or playlist in the description of your video. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.